Hi, we are going to discuss about the building blocks of Java. The basic building blocks of Java are lexical tokens, literals, white spaces, comments. Lexical tokens are the low level language elements, that is individual component of a statement can be called as a token. The statement can be formed using the identifier operators or special characters. Each and every element can be called as a token. Identifier is the name. A statement can have identifier. Identifier means it's a name of a variable, method, class, or packages or interfaces. It has some rules to be followed while defining the name. It should start with alphabet. It is case sensitive. Both upper and lower case are treated differently. Identifier names, that is alphabets, may be followed by the numbers. Two special characters permitted or dollar sign and underscore, and it should not begin with a number. There is no limit for length. Any number of characters can be given as an identifier, but better to give 4 to 15 letters for our easier reference, easier use. Keyword should not be used as a identifier because a keyword has some predefined meaning. Some valid examples of identifiers are these. All these identifiers follows the rules we have discussed already. That is, it has only the alphabets, special characters underscore and dollar, and the alphabets followed by the numbers. Some invalid examples for identifiers are these. This first one has a space, that is not permitted. Second begins with the numbers, it is also not permitted. And the third one, it includes a plus operator, that should not be given while defining a name of a variable. And hyphen or a hyphen is given as a part of a name, that is also not permitted. And keywords, the next one is a keyword. Keyword is a reserved word. It has some predefined meaning. It performs some activity for some action. They have defined some words, so such word should not be given as a identifier. Here constant, go to, or the keywords reserved for future use. And the next one is true, false, and null. These look like a keywords, but they are actually literals, and they can be assigned to some variables. Different types of literals in Java are integral literals, floating point literal, character literal, string literal, and boolean literal. Integral literals may come in a different ways, four different ways. It might be a decimal integer, octal integer, hexadecimal integer, or binary integer. Decimal integer may have the numbers 0 to 9. Octal integer may have the numbers from 0 to 7. It should be preceded by the number 0. And hexadecimal integers can have the numbers 0 to 9 and the letters A to F either in lower or in uppercase, but it should be preceded by 0x. It indicates that it is a hexadecimal integer. And binary numbers should have the prefix 0, b, either in a lowercase or in uppercase, and only permitted numbers are 0 and 1. Sequence of zeros and ones can be given for the binary integers. Floating point literals can have the value in a decimal form, that is here we have given in a different ways. The floating point values are given in different ways. After the decimal point, few numbers are given. For example, 101.230, at the time of display processing, this 0, rightmost 0 is truncated since it does not have any value. Similarly, if it double value, the next double value is 0, preceding 0 also does not have any value, so it might be omitted. Dot triple two, all the three positions are displayed in the output, and it can be, and the floating point value can also be represented in a exponential notation. 1.234 e2 it is in exponential notation. If we try to display the value, the output will be 123.4. This is how the floating point literals can be used in a Java. Character literals can be represented in 4 types: single quote, character literal, escape sequence, and Unicode representation. Single quote is any character specified in a single quotation that can be called as a uh, single quote character literal, and the character can also be given in a form of integers. uh, because it can perform some arithmetic operation, the character, the ASCII code values are substituted here. Instead of ASCII, we can also give the Unicode values and escape sequences. Various escape sequences we know: backslash n, backslash t, backslash a, backslash b, backslash t. We have studied already in a C++ programming. The same set of escape sequences can also be given as a character literals. And a string is any sequence of characters that is enclosed in double quotation can be called as a string literal. The next one is a Boolean literal. Directly we can assign a value true or false for a Boolean data type. This is Boolean literal. White spaces can be given directly, a single space, or backslash t. It will, if we give 4 spaces, can be given. Backslash n is a new line character. Backslash r is a carriage return. These are the different ways of giving white spaces, introducing white spaces in our output. Comments can be given in 3 different ways: single line comment, multi-line comment, and document comment. It is ignored by the compiler. It will not be executed. It is only for the better understanding of a program we define in our program. Single line comment is any line starts with a double slash. This is ignored. It is not executed. It is whatever statement we give here, that line is ignored. That is for understanding of the user. Multi-line comment is if more than one statement should be given as a comment or a description. Instead of giving double slash in every line, at the beginning we can give this slash asterisk, and at the end we can give asterisk slash. This is the multi-line comment. And document comment is we use some tags here. It starts with a slash asterisk asterisk and ends at a asterisk slash. Here some tags like this: author, code, these are the things can be given. If we give here, it explains the program more easily. Before that author, we can use this tag. Author name, at special symbol that can be given, at version can be given, at since when it was written, from when it came into use. These are some of the tags that we can attach with our Java program.